Hi there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Doing something a bit different today. Today I'm testing out the ALLPOWERS 1500 with my little air fryer. I'm going to see if it can cook these sausages. The 6 in a pack. Don't look at the cheap price. I'm a tight ass. Take about 15 minutes. 200 degrees. The bangers are in. I haven't turned this on. Right, okay, so we've got power here. So what we want is 200 degrees, 15 minutes, and then just leave that to it. Hopefully. Let's see what happens here. Right, okay. So it's gone to 1,000 watts. I think that is a 1,000 watt air fryer. Seems to be doing all right. Let's leave it to it and see what happens. So we're about 2 minutes in, and I think you can see on that the wattage output has dropped to about 976, and it's just slowly going down. And I think that's as this gets up to temperature and it needs less draw to actually keep it going. That's interesting. It's now only pulling 20 watts. It just dipped out there for a second while it reached temperature, and now it's just come back on and it's climbing back up again. So yeah, it should start dipping up and down as it now it's reached proper temperature. This should start, the wattage should start dipping up and down. Sheesh, I do waffle sometimes. So I've just stopped it and I've turned the sausages round. There's about 5 minutes left, as you can see on there. Down to 75%. Doing alright so far. Everything's cooking fine. Timer's gone off, but I've added another 5 minutes. I just want to brown that side off a little bit more. And we're down on here to 71%. All done. Sausages nice and brown. Quick look on here. 67%. So it's still got a lot more juice in it. So far I've done some ramen in it in the previous video, and now sausages in this one. Still got a lot left. Good little bit of kit this. I say little. Yeah, it's pretty big. If you want to know what I'm planning in the future and what I'm going to be doing using this for, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.